Hello, my name is Collin and I'm an engineer here at KooimaAg, and today I'm going to show you how to install some knives on a New Holland 1915 style cutter. The knife part we have here today is the K961-5439, and the baffle we have to install today is the K642472. And if you come a little bit closer, I can show you how to do it. Okay, so here we have the baffle that I'm going to install, and this is the first step in replacing the knives on this cutter drum. This baffle lines up with the holes that are already in the cutter head itself. And then from there, we take our knife and we place it on top of the baffle. And using the slotted holes, we can align it correctly to get it to go exactly where it needs to be in respect to the shear bar and the sides of the cutter drum housing. So once we have it slightly lined up, we can start by placing our first bolt and getting it started, and then we can go down the line and get the rest of the bolts started as well. Now once we have all of the bolts at least started, we can do some final adjustments using the slots on the knife. And in this case, since we're not adjusting it to the shear bar, it's a little bit easier. But of course, when you're doing this on your machine, you're going to want to make sure that it's lined up correctly. Once we have it in a position we like, we can go ahead and grab our impact. And we're going to start on one end and work across and make sure that we first start on one side and then go to the other to get the alignment correct, and then go back and sink all the rest of the bolts the rest of the way in order to secure the knife all the way to the cutter head itself. There you have it. The knife is installed and ready to use.